likes that shit. She likes that shit. She likes
Boys, parties, style, fame,
she likes
glamour, runway, style, fame,
she likes
boys, parties.
Hello world, my name is Popsin Jeff and I'm on the streets of Lagos. Today we would like to hear from people what their takes are on certain subject matters. Don't go nowhere, this is Plugtv. Can you take back a cheating partner?
Just like I said earlier on, it depends. It depends on how we meet and the relationship we are keeping. And if there is one thing I don't like in a woman is a woman cheating on me. And if there is a reason why she will still continue, I think she cannot be the right person for me.
So you will not take her back?
I will not.
So you won't take her back?
It depends.
It depends.
I already have a kid with her, which before then I haven't seen such art with her. I think I need to call her, sit her down to know what is her problem, what am I lacking behind. Then if it's something I can adjust, I will adjust. But if it's something that is not for me, it's just what she feel like doing, then I think we should go on a separate way.
Thank you very much. If you were Teebillz, what would you do after seeing the Fever video?
Since they've divorced, I don't think I could do anything. But there's a child between them. And if I'm Teebillz, I'd rather go for the child and train up the child to my own satisfaction.
So you would go
For the child,
and...
train my child to my own satisfaction.
Oh, beautiful. Thank you very much for coming on the show. Mr. Olajide, can you take back a cheating partner?
Not at all, not at all.
Why?
First, it's against the wish of God, and God is against it.
Okay.
Adultery, fornication is forbidden in the sight of God, so it's not a good thing. And such a cheating partner, there is no how. Such person will surely go back to the mire, go back to the vomit. He will soon go back to that same thing he has done. So there's no need to doing that. Best is for you to go away with such person.
So you do away with the person?
You do away completely with such.
No mercy?
Nothing at all.
No mercy at
Nothing
all?
like mercy.
All right, thank you very much, sir.
God bless. I'm grateful. Thank you.
Can you take back a cheating partner?
It's not easy because it depends sometimes. I may consider when she change and she acts normal and she realizes her mistakes, I can take her back.
You take her back?
Yes.
Regardless?
Well, it depends. As I said, it depends. When she repented and she confessed that what she did is wrong, I can take her back. And I study her. I may not take her fully. It may depend. I may give her kind of, let me say, I may give her some kind of gradual testing for me to know maybe she have changed, for me to take her back.
If you were Teebillz, what would you do to Wizkid after seeing the Fever video?
Although actually Teebillz and Tiwa, they are not in good relationship right now. Teebillz was Tiwa's ex-boyfriend, so there's nothing we want to do because that one is past tense. But had they been there in a relationship, then he has a step to take as a man. But since they are not in a relationship again, so that doesn't have any relationship to do again.
Okay, so you won't do anything?
I won't do anything since we are not in a relationship again. So since our relationship before is bygone, so anything that's happening presently now doesn't concern me. So had they been in a relationship right now, we're in a good relationship now, then I have something to do. Very, very well. I have a lot to do, but since it's not in relationship, so I don't have anything to do.
So if you were Teebillz, what would you do to Wizkid after seeing that video?
Well, if I happen to be Teebillz, you know, since I work in the same industry with them, it's not a new thing to me. So I believe they are just you know, doing normal. They are just doing normal video. So there's nothing I will do to Wizkid for real.
Mommy, I have just one more question. Can you take back a cheating partner?
A cheating partner. You forgive yourselves now.
Forgive yourself.
Say what God has joined together, let no one put asunder. If your partner is cheating, if he comes back, if you say you don't want him back, another woman will take him away now. You take him back and you forgive him, since you want God to forgive you.
What's your name, ma?
My name is Omonwumi.
All right. Can you take back a cheating partner?
It depends.
Okay.
Why is it cheating? There are some ladies outside there that cheat on their guys too, but their guys take them back. So why not?
Okay, ma. Have you seen Wizkid's latest video, Fever?
Oh yeah.
Okay. What if you were Wizkid's girlfriend? What would you do to Tiwa?
I can't take that. I can't. The video is too complicated. You understand? So I can't take that. So if I am Wizkid girlfriend, I'll fight back.
Are you a Christian though? Are you a born again? No, I'm asking you. You're saying I'm asking you a question. You asked me a question, and I'm asking you back.
I'm a Christian.
You're a Christian. You're born again.
Yeah.
Can you forgive?
Yeah.
Can you forget?
Yeah.
Then you have the answer to yourself already, brother.
Oh, so what's your take?
The take there is if you can forgive and forget, and if she cheats and now decides to be a better person, why don't you take her back?
Okay.
You might as well just take her back because you they fuck up and they fuck up, everybody they fuck up, God they forgive us.
Mercy there.
Mercy is the word, bruh. Mercy is the word. Okay. If you forgive me, if you forgive you, this world from be a better world today. That's just how it is.
But I'm not a fan of cheating. I don't advocate for that. Do you understand? So the person is just abstinence. But if it happens and the person is repentant, because it's the agreed person that decides if I have to go or not, but the person is repentant.
I actually can take back a cheating partner because there's a saying that says the devil you know is better than the angel you don't know. And if he comes to me and say, sorry, I did this and did that, and he was wrong, he promised not to do it again, of course I can. So everything, it depends on your reaction to things, actually. Depends on the way you react to things. So I don't see it. Okay, let's say I don't know, I never knew he was cheating. For instance, he went, he did it, and I didn't know. How will I know that he cheated? So for him to even come and say, I did something wrong and it won't happen again, and he's sure it won't happen again, I don't see anything wrong in that. I can take it. Forgiveness is key. Even Christ actually forgives us, so why won't I forgive?
All right, people, you've heard it all from the Lagos people. Different takes and different meanings, different sides to different stories. Keep watching the Plug TV. I remain your boy, Popsin Jeff.
He likes gossip. She likes